If you'd like to check the battery health of your Android device, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So for that, you will be needing an application. Launch your Play Store or your App Store and simply type in Android Battery Health Checker. In my case, I'm using this AccuBattery. Battery. This is very helpful, but you can also download any application that you find useful. Now, once you have installed it, tap Open. And in order to know the battery health, you have to first use this application for a couple hours. You can simply use any application and let this application run in the background. And likewise, as you can see, my battery health is 62%. And likewise, you can also add a charge alarm. In my case, it is set to 81, but you can simply drag the blue bubble right this to set the charge alarm. This feature uses a notification to remind unplug your phone from the charger when it has reached the settings. If you limit your charging, let's say 80%, not go higher than that, it will also affect your battery health and it will improve your phone's battery. Likewise, it will also give you some information about your phone's battery health. If you scroll below, it will say charged and on and off time. If you tap on this health button here, it will show you your battery health and you can also read more. If you tap on history, you will be able to see the last 100 sessions. Just like so guys, this is how you can know your battery health of your Android.